Hey Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So this video, I basically wanted to go through with you how it's going with the Forex copy trading that I spoke about 9 months ago here on the channel. That's right, it's now 9 months on since I did a video showing 1 month of Forex copy trading results. And a few people, when I put that video on the channel, were not too confident that this is something that would work, and they thought that maybe you just lose all your money. So I wanted to put this video on the channel to show that that's really not been the case. Now, before we get into it, I'd just like to mention the Profit Boss Forex Trading Facebook group. There'll be a link to that down in the description as usual. And also, I'd like to just mention the fact that I'm selling raffle tickets to my car. So that's nothing to do with what we're talking about here. But in case you're interested in winning my car, I'll leave a link down in the description for that competition. That competition finishes at the end of June, so of course be quick to grab your ticket. But jumping on my phone then to go through what's been going on here. Here on the Axi app here, the Axi copy app, you can see here we've got the signals there at the top, and the Holy Grail is still there, number 1 on the list. So basically, when I spoke about this several months ago, there was another trader called Just, which a few people got excited about and started copying him because he was having amazing results. But then it turned out that he actually, what's known as, blew his account. So he lost all of his copiers' money, which is why, you know, in the other videos I've done on this, I do like to say that this is not risk-free. But if you select the correct trader carefully, then obviously you can just reduce your risk. Another trader that actually lost their account and the copier's money was the Swiss Way. So that's another one where if you'd copied them, then you would have lost out there. But what I wanted to talk about with this Holy Grail trader is the fact that they've been going now. So if I click on the screen here, they've been going, as you can see there, from January 2023. So actually now 18 months at the time of recording this video of just profitable trading, just going up and up and up. And the reason why the graph at the end there is like a big red drop is that's just the live trades that are being held open at the moment. So that they're not losses that have been locked in and taken there. He hasn't closed those trades. So as it goes along, you'll just see more and more green going up there, provided that he's still successfully trading. Looking at his profitability returns there, you can see a realized return of over 9,000% now, but a live return, so including the unrealized trades that are in a loss at the moment, of just under 8,300%, and realized profit and loss over $28,000 in that 18 months. And you can see there the amount of money in this trader's balance is actually $23,500. So that's not a small, tiny amount of money. It's not like this is someone that's just trading with a couple $100 and they're just trying to get people to copy them to earn a commission. He's trading, or she, with some serious capital there, you know, well over $20,000. And they, of course, do not want to lose that. So they're going to be doing their very best to continue trading. And you can see Holy Grail now has nearly 2,000 copiers as well, which they're earning commission fees from for each copier. So, of course, they want to do their very, very best to make sure they're profitable each and every week here. You can see then, so the total for 12 months, nearly 10,000 trades, 49 trades minimum per month, maximum trades per month, over 1,200. Wins 95% basically, and then around 5% of losses there, give or take. So that's, you know, very, very profitable trader. Because what you will have seen when you're going onto any Forex trading website is it'll say like usually 70, maybe 80% of traders lose money, and it'll give that warning to make you aware that, you know, trading is risky. But when you think about it, you can think, okay, 20% of people then are actually profitable, and it takes years to become one of those profitable traders. But with this, you can actually just copy someone that is in that top 20% of people actually making money, rather than you trying to do it yourself and going through all the stress of that. You can see the Holy Grail's markets traded here. So the GBP to USD, obviously Great British Pounds to US dollars. Then this one, pounds to Japanese yen. This one, euros to US dollars, and so on, euros to Oz dollar there. So it's trading a few different markets there. So I'm pleased to say that those of you that would have started copying the Holy Grail and been adding funds each month over the last 10 months, you will have now made a very substantial amount of money, hundreds, even potentially in the thousands of pounds there, all on autopilot. So this is something that you just set up on your phone. You don't need to set your computer up and keep your computer running. When it's on your phone, you just leave it in the background. You don't need your phone screen on or anything. It just works for you all the time. I don't even think it drains any battery from your phone. It's not a live running app. It's just done on their servers. And if you want to get started with this, don't forget, if you've not seen it yet, I have the completely free Axi copy trading guide. And of course, the link to that will be down in the description. Please do comment below if you were someone that started copying the Holy Grail from the very beginning. Drop a like on the video if you've had any value whatsoever. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.